Hey guys, we are back with another list of 13 mind-blowing inventions that are simply at another level. So get ready and let's check it out. Taking a quick break every day is essential, and this is where UrbanNaps can help. The business provides short-term, pay-per-use napping pods located in busy urban areas. These pods are equipped with comfortable seating, temperature control, and white noise to provide a restful and rejuvenating experience. They're designed specifically for people who need a quick nap during the day but do not have access to a quiet and comfortable place to rest. UrbanNaps provides a range of membership plans and pay-per-use options to cater to different needs. In addition, the company offers a mobile app that enables customers to easily book a nap and locate the nearest pod. AVIDRONE is a robotics company that provides a range of robotic solutions, including the Apollo humanoid robot. The Apollo robot is an autonomous mobile robot designed for various industrial applications, such as warehouse operations, logistics, and supply chain management. It comes equipped with advanced sensors, computer vision, and machine learning algorithms, enabling it to navigate and perform tasks in different environments. It has a maximum payload capacity of 55 pounds and can work for up to 4 hours per battery pack. According to New Atlas, McClic has joined the growing market of consumer electric aircraft with the launch of its latest product, the MC One. This coaxial octocopter from the Monaco-based company is priced similarly to a brand new Porsche 911 Carrera GTS. The MC One is designed to be a simple and easy-to-use eVTOL. It consists of a streamlined fuselage connected to 4 stalks with 2 propellers each. While the company's website doesn't provide much information, it claims that the MC One can fly for 12 to 15 minutes on a fully charged battery and can reach speeds of up to 50 miles per hour. Although its flight range is shorter than other eVTOLs, the MC One weighs 353 pounds and can carry a pilot weighing up to 198 pounds. It can also fly at an angle of up to 55 degrees. Have you ever wished to have a relaxing massage in the comfort of your own bed at any time you want? Well, now you can. Meet Phill, the first massage, scratch, and caress robot that comes with AI technology to offer an unparalleled massage experience right beside your bed. With advanced artificial intelligence, Phill learns your massage preferences and customizes each session to provide you with the best recommendations. With a 35-inch range and 15 pounds of massage force, this massage robot offers a truly personalized massage experience. Now, let's check out this innovative platform-mounted automated offshore power and charging system. The system is expected to revolutionize the marine sector by enabling the transition to heavy hybrid and fully electric vessels for zero-emission operations. The offshore power and charging system is designed to convert energy delivered directly from offshore wind farms. This will allow all heavy hybrid and electric crew transfer vessels, as well as other offshore support vessels, to connect to a 100% green energy source generated directly by offshore wind turbines for the efficient, safe, and reliable transfer of power. It will also allow offshore power to be supplied to other support vessels, enabling them to turn off their diesel generators while standing by, similar to connecting to shore power. The Zura Vibrating Blanket is a smart blanket that uses gentle vibrations to soothe and relax the body. It is often used as an alternative to traditional warm blankets during cold weather or as a tool to aid sleep. The blanket is designed to provide a calming effect that can help reduce stress and anxiety. Additionally, it can promote circulation, which can lead to an improvement in overall well-being. The module that controls the entire system is located in the lower corner of the blanket. To get started, you would need to connect the power cable with the unique locking plug to prevent accidental disconnection and insert the power supply into the socket. You can even use the built-in Bluetooth module to connect to the Zura haptic app on your phone and control the device. The Zerobody Dry Float is a sensory deprivation tank that offers a relaxing and meditative experience. The tank is filled with a solution that has a specific salt concentration, and the body floats on top of 400 liters of warm water without the need to get undressed or wet. This reduces buoyancy and allows the user to effortlessly float without sinking or touching the bottom. The experience is designed to be silent and dark, creating an immersive and peaceful environment that can aid in reducing stress and anxiety and promoting mindfulness. Overall, the Zerobody Dry Float is a perfect way to unwind and achieve a calmer state of mind. Next is ZIMMO FREEFOOT, a smart, wearable foot massager designed to help you relax and soothe your tired feet after a long, busy day. Unlike traditional foot massagers, ZIMMO allows you to slip your feet into it like a pair of shoes, providing a comfortable fit that is quickly enhanced by the massage it provides. This foot massager offers full foot coverage and uses 36 massage balls for the soles of the feet, 5 massage balls under the arch, and 2 scraping massage heads for the heels, totaling up to 43 massage balls. It applies therapeutic compression through an airbag that wraps around your feet and ankles, promoting relaxation. The AVIDRONE 210 TL is a cargo drone that is designed to deliver goods over long distances in a quick and efficient manner. It comes equipped with a powerful motor, which enables it to carry loads weighing up to 55 pounds and travel at speeds of up to 60 miles per hour. With a range of up to 80 miles, this drone is well suited for transporting goods across vast distances. Overall, this cargo drone is a practical and efficient solution for businesses looking to streamline their delivery operations. The iClass massage chair is a new creation designed to provide an ultimate relaxation experience. It is the first massage sofa with a shoulder massage function. It comes with 16 airbags that have 6 adjustable levels of intensity and a gentle warming function that surrounds the body for multi-level relaxation. The chair has an accurate body scanning sensor that detects and analyzes the body shape and size, allowing for adjustable intensity levels that provide a relaxing massage experience. The massage track is longer, measuring 1180 millimeters, which allows it to relax and energize you from your neck to your legs, as each roller follows and soothes your body's curves closely. The chair also has a zero gravity mode that releases you from any form of physical pressure, offering a perfect relaxation experience. The Grivel G22 Plus is a crampon that is specifically designed for technical mountaineering and ice climbing. It is an incredibly high-performance crampon that features a dual ratio binding system, which makes it easy to use and adjust. With 10 horizontal points of adjustment, users can fine-tune the grip and performance of the crampons, ensuring optimal performance. Made from high-quality materials including 7075 aluminum and steel, the Grivel G22 Plus is both durable and reliable. Why float when you can drive? The Splash Runner by poolCandy is a motorized pool lounger that offers a unique and exciting experience. With powerful dual 66-watt motors, this lounger can be driven around the pool with ease. You can spin and turn in every direction and even move to a sunny spot or the shade. The Splash Runner is designed to be the most comfortable and feature-rich pool lounger available. It's made from durable 0.35 millimeter PVC and can hold up to 300 pounds or 136 kilograms with ease. So if you're tired of just floating around in the pool, maybe it's time to try driving with the Splash Runner. Refreshing your home ambiance while you work or even take a power nap, the Soul Ambient Sound Generator brings in the comforting sounds of the sea surf or the soothing sounds of a forest. What I particularly like about this product is that you can fine-tune all the noises so you find your perfect relaxing music. Featuring high-fidelity natural sounds that replace urban noises, the Soul helps you to fall into deep sleep quickly. The sounds also help you to calm down for your yoga routine and overall elevate your well-being. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.